Hello everyone, MMLTech here with another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you're tired of these plain horizontal videos when you try to create some shorts, I will be teaching you two simple tricks in DaVinci Resolve to turn this into something like this. It only takes one filter and a small trick to crop the circle area for your camera frame. This is a free tutorial and it's doing better than what you can find on all these AI editors that create vertical clips from your horizontal videos. So, without further ado, let's jump into work. All right, I got my two clips here. The first thing you want to be doing is getting rid of these black areas on top and the bottom of your horizontal clip. And for that, you're going to Effects, make sure you have the tab selected. Then under Resolve FX, search for blanking fill. All you have to do is dragging it on your clip. And now, under the Open FX here, we need to do some adjustment. First of all, you're gonna go to the sources and make sure you have the split left right selected to -100. This will make the edges of your video to match the frame. Now we want to select the zoom to timeline, and as you can see, the clip already looks better. We got rid of the black screen and we have something nicer to look at. Well, we won't stop here. What I like to do is set the fade amount to 0.500 and I want to drag the blend edges to 1. This will make the clip and the bigger effect blend together, so you don't have that lines in the top and the bottom of your video. Now, the next step would be selecting the black as fade color. And everything looks like this now. If we zoom on to the entire clip, this is what we have. Okay, this part being done, we can jump into step 2. Going to the second clip, what you want to be doing now is go to the color tab here, then look for the circle setting here, and now you're going to be selecting the circle right here. Now with that selected, you can see there in the preview area we have a circle spawned. Now we can drag that circle. We can drag that circle to our profile. If I go back to my clip and go somewhere right here, just to have the camera frame in the view, you can use the corners to resize this circle. And now what you want to do is go to this area, right click on it, add alpha output, and make sure you drag the clip into the alpha output right here. And now we have the camera frame cut from our main clip. Now let's go back to our edit tab, back to our clip, and as you can see, we have the frame here. Now what you want to be doing is drag the video on another track, drag it all the way there, and as you can see, we have the frame here. Now let's resize the frame so we can use it somewhere on the bottom of our main clip. it might be a bit too big. Let's resize it. And now we have this nice effect. So basically you can just get the same clip and crop the camera frame from it and use it as a background. Now, I don't want the sound from my camera frame, and for that, what you want to be doing is go to the audio, right click on it, and make sure you uncheck link clips. And now, as you can see, you can select the clip and the audio separately. Now, just right click on it and go to delete selected. And there we go. Now we have our perfect vertical video ready to upload on YouTube or TikTok. One more thing here, when you crop your camera frame, if you go back to the color tab and here to the softness, we can set this parameter to 0, and this will create a perfect cut of our frame. So you don't have that text like I had from OBS Studio. But in my opinion, it looks just a bit better to have something to blend with the background of our main clip. So that's pretty much it. This is how you turn your horizontal video into perfect vertical videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok Reels. If you like this tutorial and you want more like this one, please subscribe to my channel, like this clip, view my other videos, and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.